Hi students, good morning to everyone. Today I came with again new topic of a progression, that is exercise 6.1. In this we will discuss regarding to the whether given situation is in the form of AP or not, and at the same time if there is a given situation is in the form of AP, how to write the next numbers, that is we will discuss. In the last class we were discussed the arithmetic progression general form. So if the first term is A, then in arithmetic progression every number is successively added with a constant number is called as a common difference D. So A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D and so on, there is numbers will be. So this is what the general form. Nth term formula is A plus n minus 1 into common difference D, and also discussed in the first video regarding to the sum of terms of AP, that is n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 into common difference D. So you have to aware of these three formulas so that you can able to solve the questions in three exercises. Okay, my dear students, let us start. Myself Hatiram. Today I am going to discuss regarding to the concept of progression. So sorry. One moment please. So today we are going to discuss regarding to concept of progression. So let us see. First, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved in arithmetic progression and why? So most of the students whenever they used to see these kind of word problems, they will get panic and they will leave that question. But first try to see whether they are easy or difficult. After once if you learn them, if you read them, you will understand. So that is question is, the minimum taxi fare is 20 rupees for first kilometer. So answer is for first kilometer. Okay, taxi fare is rupees 20. After and thereafter 8 kilometers for each additional kilometer, means if there is a distance is increasing by each kilometer, taxi fare also get increases by 8. That is for second kilometer taxi fare is get increases by 20 plus 8, it will become 28. Similarly for the third kilometer, okay, so it is becomes 28 plus 8. Okay, so it will becomes 36. For fourth kilometer, if you see, taxi fare is 36 plus 8, it becomes 44. Now see that situation is, so sequence of numbers, fares are 20 comma 28 comma 36 comma 44 and so on. So every number is added by a constant 8, then it is AP. So given situation is in the form of a arithmetic progression. Okay. Let us see the second question. The amount of air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1 by 4th of air, remaining air in the cylinder at that time. So remaining airs related concept he is asking. So remaining airs which are left in that is whether it is in the form of arithmetic progression or not. So for that what I will do is if I will take any variable it will become difficult. So that's the reason I will take some constant number which is exactly divisible by 4. Okay. Let I will take amount of air initially present in the cylinder will be the amount of air initially present in the cylinder is 1024 liters. I will take it. Okay. Initially that much air is present. So first removes 1 by 4th of volume. So first it removes 1 by 4th of its volume, that is 1024 into 1 by 4. So 4 ones are here in 10 it is 2 times, 2 left 22. Okay. 4 eights are, sorry, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So 20 here 2 left, 6 are. So how much is removed, ma? 256 liters are removed. Remaining air presence. Air presence is equals to 1024 minus it is 256. How to do difference? 1024 and as well as 256. If you subtract, then it is not divisible. So it is not subtract from the 4. So take a power. It will become 1 and it will become 14. 14 onwards 6 will go means we will get here 8 we will get it. So 1 is not one is not subtracted from the 5. So again take it, it becomes 9. It is 11. 11 onwards is 6 and this will become 9 onwards 2 will go means 7. So we are getting here 768. Okay. So remaining air present is 768 liters. Next, second, it is removes. It removes 1 by 4th of the volume, that is 768. That is 768 by 4. 4 ones are here 1, 3 left, 36 it will become. It is 9s are in this 2s are. So it is 192 is removed. So remaining air present is easily you can calculate like previous step. Remaining air present in the cylinder. So remaining air present in cylinder. How to do? From the total onwards you have to subtract this. That is 768 minus 192. So it will become 576. Okay. Again we have to perform the action. Then we will see at least 3 situations we have to perform. So third, it removes 1 by 4th of it is 576. So 576 by 4, it is divisible in 5 one times. 1 is left, 17, 4s are, again is 4s are. So it is 144 liters is removed. Okay. So remaining air how much? Air in cylinder, which is equals to, so let me change the color of pen here, is equals to what is the previous? It is 576. From that 144 is removed, so we'll get 432 liters. If you write the situation, okay, that is the volume of air present in the cylinder. First, second, third timer, volume of air present in a first, comma, second, comma, third, and so on. Then it is 1024, comma, it is 1024 after how much more? It is C 768. Afterwards how much? 576. Then it is how much? 432. And so on it removes. Then if you take a common difference, then if it is same, then it is called as arithmetic progression. Otherwise it is not. So A2 minus A1 is equals to it is 768 minus 1024, which is equals to minus 256. So A3 minus A2, which is also equal to 576 minus 768, which is minus 192. So A4 minus A3, which is also equal to 432 minus here it is 576, which is minus 144. Already these are there with us. So common difference, is it same? So no. So we can say, already last in exercise we were written AK plus 1 minus AK is not same. Hence it is not in AP. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood. Next question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when its cost is 150 for first meter and rises 50 by subsequent meters, means each meter it is digging. First meter they will give you, there is a well they want to dig. Okay, so first meter of digging they will give 150. Next meter it is a 50 get added to this. Next meter again there is a added 50 each meter. So again they will get add for one more meter 50. As like that there is a going on increases. So first is 50, next 50 plus 150 is becomes 200. For that again 50 is increasing 250. Again there is a 50 is increasing 300. So as like that they are going a process. So here cost of digging in first meter, cost for digging the first meter is nothing but 150 rupees. So cost of digging subsequent meters, cost of digging each subsequent meter is rupees 50 is increases. So see, that is where in the form of first meter cost of digging first meter is 150. So cost of digging for the second meter it is 150 plus 50, which is equal to 200. Similarly for the third, okay, 200 plus 50, which is equal to 250. For the fourth, it is 250 plus 50, we can say as 300. So you can see the list of numbers. Okay, so list of numbers, how it is there? The list of costs is first 150 is there, comma 200, 250, it is a 300, and so on. It is go on. So if you see the common difference, the A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equals to A3 minus A4, which is also equal to 15, then it is said to be common difference. Okay, so given situation is in the form of AP. The given situation in the form of AP. Okay, so next, here the amount of money in an account every year 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest at 8% per annum. So to do this, is you have to know in your class 8 the mathematics compound interest formula, that is principal into 1 plus rate of interest in percentage by 100 whole power n, that is the number of years. So here amount initially deposited is becomes a principal amount, okay, or simply you can say amount deposited is nothing but rupees 10,000. Next, rate of interest in percentage, it is 8%. Done. So after the rate of interest, here years are n is 1, 2, 3 and so on, they are years. So you have to calculate for this. So amount formula, this is amount A is equals to, first year there is a compound interest rate will be, so amount after first year, that is nothing but P of 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, that is 10,000 of 1 plus, it is rate of interest is becomes 8 by, it is 100 power 1. Simply you can say 10,000 into, see, if you make LCM, first I will make it for first one. So denominator 1 will be, for 1 and 100 LCM is we can say 100. 1 how many times? 100 times. 100 into 1, 100 plus 8. So it is 10,000 into 108 by simply 100. So these zeros are gets cancelled. So answer is simply for the first one 10800 is nothing but amount after first year. Similarly, amount after second year, amount after that is 10,000. See, this is a 10,000 and it is 1 plus 8 by 100. So n will become 2 because it is 2 years. Okay, so it means for 10,000 is 108 by 100 whole square. So 10,000 can be written as 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. So these two zeros cancel with these two zeros again cancel with these two zeros. So what we will get? 11,166,4 we will get it. So amount after third year. So that is 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole power 3. So similarly, as like a previous process only, so it is a 10,000 of 108 cube is there now. I will write 3 times single step. 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. So here 2 zeros, 2 zeros okay, 2 zeros, 2 zeros okay. But what is there? It is 108 cube by 100 is there. So 108 cube is nothing but 1259,712. So by 100, 2 zeros are there. Count from the right side and not 2 numbers and place the decimal. That is 1259,712. Okay. So this is what the numbers. So the terms, the amounts are, if you see, first one is easy, 10800. Second one it became 11,166,4. Third one is here only there. So 1259,712. If you find A2 minus A1, you will get 800 obviously. A3 minus A2 you will get as 824, 64. So directly you can say, even if you find A3 also, A4 minus A3 also, you will get a difference as 933.12. Okay, if you want, I will write one for you. 11,166,4 minus the 10800. This is how we got this number is. Okay, so here the given situation here, situation not in AP. Okay, because you know what is the answer is, right? Okay, you understood that word problems, I think so, my dear students. The next question is write the first term and as well as AP and write the first 4 terms of the AP when first term is A and common difference is D are given follows. So the given first term and as well as common difference, we have to write arithmetic progression. So here is the case, first one is A is equals to 10, common difference also 10 only. So AP can be written as first term, no, A is equals to 10. Next A plus D is equals to 10 plus 10, which is equals to 20. A plus 2D is nothing but or previous number you can add simply. So 10 plus 2 into 10 is equal to 30. Next A plus 3D is nothing but A plus 3 into 10, which is equal to 30 plus 10. It became 40. So first four terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. That's one. Okay. Next. Second one, see that. A is equals to minus 2. D is equals to 0. So if there is a difference is 0, the AP will go on repeats. A is equals to minus 2. A plus D is equals to minus 2 plus 0 is nothing but minus 2 only. A plus 2D is equals to minus 2 plus 2 into 0, which is also equal to minus 2 only. A plus 3D is nothing but minus 2 plus 3 into 0, also minus 2. So AP what happens? It is terminating AP minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. If common difference is 0, then the AP is repeats. Same. Without changing the terms in it. So A is equals to 4 and D is equals to minus 3. So AP what happens? First term is A1 is equals to, that is 4. Second term what happens? A plus D, that is 4 minus 3. So 4 is bigger integer, minus 3 is smaller integer. So 4 having a plus sign, so that 4 minus 3 is a plus 1. A3 what happens? A plus 2D, which is a 4 minus 3 into 2, which is equals to 4 minus 6, which is now negative integer bigger than the positive integer. So minus will come. 6 minus 4 is a 2. So fourth is A plus 3D, that is 4 minus 3 into 3. So 4 minus, it is nothing but 9, which we can write as a minus 5. So now I write AP 4 plus 1 minus 2 minus 5. Okay. Next. Minus 1, 1 by 2. Fourth one. Minus 1 A. And common difference what my here? Common difference 1 by 2. Difference is 1 by 2. So for this what we have to do is A1 is equals to A, first term as it is. Second term A2 is equals to A plus D, which means minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Again we have to do LCM for 1 and as well as 1 by 2. Anything is not there denominator of 1 means there will be a simply 1 by 2, or you can do direct process 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 1 also we can do it. So let me say first this is. So it is LCM 2, 1 2 times divisible, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 times 1 into 1 1. So it is a minus 1 by 2. A3 is equals to, it is a plus 2D. That means minus 1 plus 2 into D is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. A4 which is equal to A plus 3D, that is minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Directly I am saying now. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3. Like mixed fraction only. Simply 1 by 2. So AP will be as like this. Minus 1 minus 1 by 2 0 1 by 2. Okay my dear students. So I hope you understood the last question with the decimals there. Minus 1.25 and minus 0.25. So fifth one, A is equals to minus 1.25 and D is equals to minus 0.25. Minus is there or not? Yeah, minus is there. So let us solve this. So first term what? A only. So minus 1.25. Second term A plus D. A how much? Minus 1.25. D is 0.25. This is how we have to write it. So 5, 5, 10. It will become 5. Okay. Decimal. It is 1. So it is minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25, which is equals to minus 1.50. So negative numbers only, no, we will add and simply we will keep sign is minus. So A3 can be written as a plus 2D, that is a minus 1.25 plus 2 of minus 0.25. So 2 into 0.25, 0.5 will become, if we will add, it will become minus 1.75. A4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is minus 1.25 plus 3 of minus 0.25. So 3 into 0.25, 75. If we will add this, it will become minus 2. So AP will be as minus 1.25, comma, it is minus 1.50, comma, minus 1.75, comma, minus 2. Okay. So these are the questions in this particular part. So this is a somewhat bigger exercise because having a large number of problems here. So here for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. So here there is a first term we have to see. What is the first term here? Common difference. And if it is AP, then still there is a question. We have to write, there is a question is, yeah. One second, please. We have to write a common difference, we have to write, and the next three terms will be, right? If it is AP, then only common difference in third question. Yeah, well, here there is only first term and as well as common difference we have to write. The fourth question is writing APs. So here in the first question, first term is nothing but 3. Common difference is nothing but D is equals to, it is A2 minus A1. We have to find it. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. A3 minus A2, which is also equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. A4 minus A3, also minus 3, minus of minus 1, which is equal to plus 1, minus 2. So D is equal to how much more? Simply minus 2. So in the second question, first term is nothing but minus 5. Common difference A2 minus A3, which is equals to, sorry, directly I went to that is here. So it is A2 minus A1, which is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5, which is equals to minus 1 plus 5, you can say 4. A3 minus A2, similarly we can say is this is 3 minus of minus 1, we can say as 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So A4 minus A3, we will do the same process. 7 minus 3 is equals to, will become 4. So difference will become what? 4. Similar for the third, if you will do it. So here there is a fraction, sir, and these are like fractions, you can do easily. So 1 by 3 it is. Common difference, D is equals to A2 minus A1, which can be written as 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So directly numerator we can subtract. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 by 3. A3 minus A2 is equals to 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3. It is also 4 by 3. Okay. A4 minus A3 is 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3. This is also 4 by 3. So difference how much more? Common difference 4 by 3. Similarly, if we will perform here, so that is first term here is A is equal to 0.6. A2 minus A1 1.7 minus 0.6. So it is 1.1. So A3 minus A2 which is equals to 2.8 minus 1.7. So how much? It is 1.1. A4 minus A3 is 3.9 minus 2.8. Again 1.1 only. Means common difference is 1.1. So do you understood how to write common difference and first term? I hope it is. So which of the following is APs? So we have to identify they are not APs or not. If they are APs, find the common difference D and the next three terms in that AP. Okay, totally there will be a number of questions will be more anyway here. So first we will see first question. It is 2, 4, 8, 16. List of numbers. These are not APs. Don't consider it is AP. Okay. So we have to find difference. If it is same, then we will say AP it is. So A2 minus A1 is equals to 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. A3 minus A2 is equals to 8 minus 4 is equals to what we will got? 4 we are getting. So A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Hence what we can say, simply it is not a AP. Hence it is not AP. Okay. So if it is not equal, directly you can come to the conclusion here. 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2. So A2 minus A1 it is a 5 by 2 minus 2. So see LCM anyway 2 will become, but directly do it like a mixed fraction. 5 minus 2 to the 4 by 2. It is a minus 1 by 2. Similarly A3 minus A2 do it. What we are getting? 3 minus 5 by 2. It is 6 minus 5 by 2. It is sorry, here plus it is 1 by 2. A4 minus A3, it is 7 by 2 minus 3, 7 minus 6 by 2, which is also equal to 1 by 2. So what we are getting here, simply it is a common difference is nothing but equal. D is equals to 1 by 2. It is because, what is the reason? Because AK plus 1 minus AK is same. It is AP. Okay, then next fourth term is fifth term we have right? Fifth term is that number, last number plus 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. So 8 by 2 will become 4. Sixth term is that 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. So seventh term, 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is a 10 by 2 is becomes 5. Okay. Next question. Let me write here. 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. So this is AP given for us. So we have to find A2 minus A1, that is equal to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, which is equals to minus 3.2 minus of minus plus 1.2. So subtract 1.2 from this, you will get 2. Anyway, next you can see A3 minus A2, also same thing. Minus 5.2 minus of minus will become plus 3.2, which will get minus 2. A4 minus A5, which will get as a A3 minus 7.2 minus of minus plus 5.2, which is equals to minus 2. So here also same. AK plus 1 minus AK is same, hence it is AP. Common difference is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 will go on add. So 5th term, 6th term, 7th term. So add to that is minus 7.2 minus 2 minus 9.2 minus 9.2 minus 2 is equals to minus 11.2. Minus 11.2 minus 2 is equals to minus 13.2. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood. Next question, see that. Fourth one. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, plus 2. So for this we have to check it. What we have to check? We have to check whether it is AP or not first. So A2 minus A1 is equals to minus 6 minus of minus 10 is equals to minus 6 plus 10 is equals to what? 4. A3 minus A2, sorry, it is minus 2 minus or minus plus 6 is equals to 4. A4 minus A3, it is 2 minus or minus plus 2 will become 4. So AK plus 1 minus AK is equals to, it is same, right? So what we can say is same, hence it is AP. Then A5, A6, A7 we have to write. So 2 is last, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood. Same, fifth part, 6, 7, 8 are there here. So fifth question, what is that? A2 minus A1, if you do it for the fifth one, then it is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 will become 0, we will get as root 2. Next, A3 minus A2, if you do it, 3 plus root 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Now apply minus this is, then what will get? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Listen, 3 and 3 will become 0. 2 root 2 surmounts 1 root 2 is subtracted, then we will get a root 2. Try to understand. 2 chocolates are there, 1 chocolate is there. 2 chocolates are not, 1 is removed, then 1 chocolate will be left here. Okay, then A4 minus A3, same process to it. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2s. So 3 and 3 became 0. 3 root 2s onwards 2 are subtracted, then simply 1 root 2 left. Means the common AK plus 1 minus AK is constant, then it is AP. So D is equals to root 2. What we have to say? A5, A6, A7 we have to write. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. Next 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 is become 3 plus 5 root 2. So next 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 is becomes 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay. So next question. Sixth one. Sixth bit, see that. Sixth what is there? Sixth one is 0.2 comma. It is 0.22 comma 0.222 comma 0.222 and so on. So if you see common difference, first we have to find. So A2 minus A1 is nothing but 0.22 minus 0.2. Subtract it. 0.22 minus 0.20 we can write. So it is 2 minus 0. This is nothing but 0. So it is nothing but we are getting 0.02. Next, A3 minus A2, if you do it, 0.222 minus 0.22. So we will get 0.002, we will get it. So here what happened? It is A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Hence, given list is not in a AP. Okay, not is in a AP, we write arithmetic progression. Next, if you see seventh number here. Seventh number, what is there? 0 comma minus 4 comma minus 8 comma minus 12. If you have textbook, keep in front of you, you can find it. So next again you find it A2 minus A1 is equals to minus 4 minus 0. It will become minus 4. A3 minus A2 minus 8 minus 4 minus 4 will become minus 8 plus 4 is equals to minus 4. So A4 minus A3, do it same thing, do it somewhat fast. Minus 2 plus 8 is equals to minus 4. So A5, A6, A7. So it is minus 12, minus 4, minus 16. Minus 16, minus 4, minus 20. Minus 20, minus 4, minus 24. Okay. Next, eighth question is here. Eighth question is minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2. So you can see clearly common difference how much here? 0. If you add how many also, next terms will be same. Okay, my dear students, here common difference how much will be? 0. A5 how much? A6, A7. Because if you make, I will tell you one thing. A2 minus A1, if you do it, minus 1 by 2, minus or minus plus 1 by 2, 0 will be. If you will go remaining also, you will get 0 only. Then A5, this is nothing but 1 by 2 only. This is also 1 by 2 only. This is also 1 by 2 only. Okay, I hope you understood here, right? Next, go to the next question. Last 5 questions. That is, this question you tried. I will tell you remaining. So, at 10th one, I will tell you. So, A2 minus A1, if you will say, that is 2A minus A is equals to A. A3 minus A2 is equals to 3A minus 2A. Say simply, 3 chocolates are not 2 chocolates, you remove 1 chocolate, you will get it. 1 chocolate means here A. A4 minus A3, it is nothing but 4A minus 3A, which is equals to 1A. So you want 5th term, 6th term, 7th term. Do it. it is a 4a plus a, it is a 5a. Next, 5a plus a, it is a 6a. Okay, it is like 6a plus a is equal to 7a. Next, 11th, what is that? A comma a square comma a cube comma a power 4. So if you will find a2 minus a1, a square minus a you can take common, then a square onwards a into a we can write 1a will be left here. So a cube 3 minus a2, that is a, this is the so it is a cube minus a square. A square you can take common, what is a minus 1. So here a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2, hence given list is not in AP. Okay, next. 12th question, root 2, root 8. Basically, by seeing this, students will think that it is not in the form of AP, but you write in the form of the properly this number. So root 8 I will show you. This can be written as 2 into 4. So this is root 2, root 4 is equals to root 2 into 2. So you can write 2 root 2. Similarly, root 18 also same. It is perfect square into number, that is 9 into 3 under square root. 3 root 2 3 root 3 we can write. Next, root 32 can be written as 16 into 2 we can write. Sorry, this is 2. 16 into 2, 4 root 2 it is. So actual form of these numbers is root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. Okay, so what we can say is a2 minus a1 is equals to root 2 minus root 2, which is also root 2. Like same will be here. Just simply if we will add a4, sorry, a2 and a4 minus a3, if you will do it also, you will get root 2 only. So next terms also easy here to write a5, a6, a7, which is equals to just root 2 add it. For 4 root 2, if we will add root 2, it will becomes, it is a 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 plus root 2 is equals to, it is 6 root 2. 6 root 2 plus root 2 is becomes 7 root 2. Okay. So with this one more question, last question is there. Try to complete it. So the last question, what that is? 13th question, I think so. So root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. So like previous question, we can't able to write this. So if you will find a2 minus a1 here in this case, that is root 6 minus root 3 is same. Again, we cannot change it because they are the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers different cannot be findable. If it is possible to, we have to convert in decimal and we have to make it. So next a2 minus this a3 minus a2 if you will do it. 9 minus this is root 6. 3 minus root 6 will be. So what we can say here, a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2, hence it is not AB. Okay, so with this we were completed the exercise 6.1. With this I am signing off. This is Hatira. Have a great day. Thank you. If you interest in this kind of more videos, try to like and share to your friends. Have a great day. Thank you.